Good afternoon, my lovely students. How are you all? I hope everyone is good. Okay, students. So today we are going to start a new topic of English grammar, that is punctuation and use of capital letters. So let's start. Yes, you know that when we write, we use some signs like commas, full stop, and interrogative or exclamatory marks. Yes, the proper use of these signs within is called punctuation. Yes, with the help of proper points and marks, one sentence or parts of sentence get separated from one another sentence or part of sentence. Yes, when we write, when we put a comma, full stop, yes, interrogative and question marks, so हमको तो पता चलता है कि ये कौन सा साइन है, पंचुएशन. Yes, with the help of proper points, जिसकी सहायता से, उनके मार्क्स की सहायता से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, एक सेंटेंस को दूसरे सेंटेंस से सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. Okay, now with the help of marks of punctuation, the reader can easily understand the theme of sentence or extract. With the help of marks, जब भी हम punctuation mark यूज करते हैं तो जो रीडर होता है वो इजीली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकता है क्या, उसके जो सेंटेंस है, उसकी जो थीम है और कोई भी एक्सट्रैक्ट गिवन है उसका, उसके बारे में आसानी से समझ सकते हैं. नाउ रॉन्ग पंक्चुएशन चेंज द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. जो रॉन्ग पंक्चुएशन होता है वो क्या कर सकता है, जो जो लाइंस का, जो सेंटेंस का मीनिंग है वो भी चेंज कर सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द टीचर सेड द गर्ल इज टॉक्टिव. Okay, now next sentence, the teacher said the girl is talkative. Now the two sentences given above have some words and some sequence of words, but due to difference in punctuation marks, these have different meaning. देखिए, two sentences are given, दो sentences दिए गए हैं. If we use as a punctuation mark in a right order, so we don't use need a good expression. Now but if we put a punctuation mark in a wrong way, अगर हमने punctuation mark wrong way कर दिया तो उसका जो sense है वो भी क्या हो जाएगा, clear नहीं होगा और हमारे को जो समझ आएगा वो भी wrong होगा. So now the first sentence implies that the teacher is talkative, while the second sentence implies the girl is talkative. तो first sentence हमको क्या बता रहा है कि the teacher said the girl is talkative, तो ये बता रहा है कि teacher talkative है. In the second sentence, the teacher said the girl is talkative. The teacher कह रही है कि लड़कियां talkative है, मतलब बातूनी है. Now hence they convey the sense what we want to, what we should know the proper use of punctuation marks. Clear, student? Now following the important punctuation marks as full stop, commas, inverted commas, marks of interrogation, apostrophe, and sign of exclamation mark. Okay, student. So let's start. Number one is here full stop. Yes, it is used in the end of assertive, operative and imperative sentence. जो भी हमारा जो full stop हम use करते हैं, हम कहाँ use करते हैं, at the end of a sentence. At the sentence would be as assertive, सकारात्मक वाक्य हो सकते हैं, operative हमारा कुछ भी wish जो related है sentence हो सकते हैं, या imperative जब हम किसी को order देते हैं, है ना. तो here we use as a full stop. Yes, for example, Kanti will sing a song. At the end of the sentence, we put a full stop. Second one is a Hari goes to Agra. Number third is take your seat. Number fourth is please give me your pen. है ना, हम किसी को request कर रहे हैं, किसी को order दे रहे हैं, तो here in the end of the sentence we put full stop. Now next is wish you all the best, है ना, wish you all the best. After that we have to put full stop. So once again you have to remember that it is used in the end of assertive, operative and imperative sentence. Now next is after the initial of names of signature. Achha, okay, for example, M.K. Gandhi, R.M. Tagore, K.M. Munshi. Yes, M.K. Gandhi. So here you notice M. Here we, after that we put a full stop, and K, after it we have to put full stop and then write the name. Yes, Gandhi, M.K. Gandhi. Now next one is here number third, between the letters of abbreviation. जब भी हम abbreviation use करते हैं तो हम क्या use करते हैं, between the letter we use full stop. Yes, B A B full stop A full stop, M A M L C M P. Here we put a full stop. Second one is commas. Yes, commas is used in following situation. Number one, when there are more than three words come within one parts of a speech, then last two words are joined with and. देखिए जब भी एक हम जब भी किसी भी चीज को डिवाइड करते हैं पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच को, जब भी उसके अंदर वर्ड्स होते हैं तब उनको किससे सेपरेट करते हैं, कोमा से. और लास्ट वर्ड्स होता है उसको हम here we use as a and. So while the words before these last two words are separated by commas. For example, she is intelligent, honest, truthful, and hardworking. So here we separate the words we use as comma. She is intelligent, comma, honest, comma, truthful. Okay, in the last two words we use and. Clear? Second example, they visited Udaipur, Bikaner, and Jaipur. Now, second is here when two or more pairs of words are joined by and then in a sentence they get separated by commas. कि जब भी दो और दो से ज्यादा pairs of जो words होते हैं joining जो join किए जाते हैं किसे and से, so here we use as a and. So like this, for example, rich and poor, young and old will die one day. So there here we use as हमने जो use किया है यहाँ पे rich and poor. Yes, rich and poor. So here it's a one word, ये two pairs हो गए. So here after the pairs we use as a comma. Next one is here good and bad, common and unique, all are the part of this word stage. ठीक है? So here the good and bad, after that we have to put comma and then we write comma. Common and unique, all are the part of this word stage. Clear? Number third, to separate noun from nominative of address, commas is used. Clear? देखिए जब हम किसी को एड्रेस कर रहे हैं, किसी का नेम बोल रहे हैं, एज ए गर्ल हो गया, बॉय हो गया, किसी को नेम से हम एड्रेस कर रहे हैं, तो here firstly we put a comma and then we start a sentence. Okay, for example, Ashok, bring my umbrella. Number second, boys listen to me. Second one is boys listen to me. So boys को address कर रहे हैं तो boys के बाद after we have to put comma. Number fourth is here to separate reporting verb from reported speech in direct narration. Commas is used. For example, Mohan said to me. Mohan said to me. Write a letter. Okay, so in the reported speech, in the direct narration, so you have to put a comma. Yes, after this separate the sentence, so Mohan said to me. Mohan ने मुझे कहा. Yes, you can use as a comma when you separate the direct narration. Clear? Now, next is number fifth. Comma is used after adverb or adverbial phrase. Comma जो use किया जाता है किसके बाद? Adverb के बाद, adverbial phrase के बाद, which come in the beginning of a sentence. जो कि sentence के क्या आते हैं? पहले आते हैं. देखिए, for example, fortunately the thief did not enter my house. So fortunately after that we have to put comma. तो हमने क्या किया? Comma is used after adverb या adverb phrase के बाद हम क्या use करते हैं? Comma. Second sentence, at last he reached the top of the mountain. So at last we put comma. Number 6, when same words is separated, then comma is used between them. जब भी कोई words को हमको separate करना होता है, here we use as a commas. For example, come, comma, come my dear, comma, my dear child. Okay, so we have to separate the sentences using comma. Number 7th is here, comma is used to separate coordinate clause in compound sentence. जब भी compound sentence, here we write a compound sentence, we have to use as a comma to separate the sentence. For example, the way was long and the night was dark. So the way was long. Here we put comma and the night was dark. Okay, जो night क्या जो रात क्या होती है वो अंधेरी होती है. So here we put comma to separate the sentence. Second one, he wanted to buy a pen. वो पेन खरीदना चाहता है, but he had no money. लेकिन उसके पास पैसा नहीं है, तो we separate this sentence using comma. Clear, student? Now number 3rd is here inverted commas. Yes, inverted commas are used in following situations. Yes, number 1, in the beginning, at the end of the reported speech of direct narration, we use inverted commas. जब भी हमको किसी की बात को कहना होता है, तो here we use as inverted commas, और हम जो भी हमारा जो sentence होता है, here we put this sentence. Now, Shanti said to me, we put a comma and then we start the inverted commas. You are a good player. Okay, so we have to close the inverted commas. Yes, so here we write the sentence, we have to write the sentence in inverted commas. Clear, student? Next is to write a quotation. जब भी हम कोई quotation लिखते हैं तो we have to separate from the inverted commas. Yes, for example, the Gita says, गीता ने कहा, do your duty, अपनी duty करो. So do your duty, this sentence we we have to use it in inverted, we have to write in inverted commas. Clear? Number third, the names of books, titles of essay, articles, name of ships, name of newspaper are put within the single inverted commas. कहाँ पर use किए जाते हैं? Single inverted commas में. Yes, number one is here, had you read, have you read the Gita? So Gita is a name of a book. So here we use as inverted comma. Second one is here, the Hindustan Times is a good newspaper. The Hindustan Time is a, yes, is a newspaper. So we have to, yes, you have to do it in a inverted commas. Clear, student? Now number fourth is here, mark of interrogation. Yes, so mark of interrogation is always used after the interrogative sentence. Yeah, I'm asking a question. Yes, what is your name? So after that you have to put question mark when we write a sentence. Okay. Number second is here, where do you live? So after that we have to put a comma, put a interrogation mark. Second one is here, will you come today? So after that we have to put interrogation mark. Now next one is here, apostrophe. Yes, where we use apostrophe in the sentence. Yes, apostrophe is used for possessive case of noun. Apostrophe हम use करते हैं possessive case of noun. Yes, we also use as जिसका हमारा अधिकार होता है, जिसका कई बार हमसे relation होता है. Here we use as a apostrophe. For example, Ravi's book, Ram's pen, Rama's brother. Okay, so Ravi's book, yes, means Ravi ki book. Ram's pen here, which means Ram ka pen. Okay, so here we use as a apostrophe s. Yes, to show as a possessive case. Okay, number third example is it Rama's brother. जब हम relation show कर रहे हैं किसी के साथ कि उसका उससे relation है, तो here we use as apostrophe s. We use as a Rama's brother. Clear, student? Now second one is here. It is also used to make short form of some words. किसी भी words की short form हमको use करते हैं. हम क्या use करते हैं? Apostrophe. Clear? Yes, for example, ever. So here we use e apostrophe er, don't, don apostrophe t, do not. Yes, number third is here can't. We also pronounce can't, and here we use as a cannot. Clear? So in the short form, here we write can't, can apostrophe t. Next one is here I have. So here we write I apostrophe ve, so which means I have. Next one is here it's, yes, it is, it means it is. इसका मतलब क्या है? It is, it apostrophe s. Next one is here want, won apostrophe t, which means will not. इसका means क्या होता है? Will not. So here we use apostrophe. Now next one is here sign of exclamation. Where we put sign of exclamation mark? Yes, sign of exclamation is used after the words or sentences of exclamation. जब भी हम exclamation mark हम use करते हैं किसके बाद? or the sentence of explanatory sentence जो होते हैं उसके बाद हम use करते हैं exclamation mark. Yes, for example, alas, she is dead. Long live the king. How beautiful the flower is. Oh God, what you have done. Oh God. After that, you have to put explanation mark. इसमें नहीं बहुत तक जहाँ भी हम use करते हैं, when sometimes we use as a हमारे जब expressions होते हैं, जब when we speak some type of sentences like that is how beautiful the flower is. At the end of the sentence, we put explanation mark. Clear, students? So we have already discussed these 6 sign of punctuation mark. Okay, now next one is here use of capital letters. Here, so let's start. The capital letters are used in following situation. Number one, in the beginning of sentences, Hari, yes, in the beginning of sentence, when the sentence start, we use as a first letter should be a capital. Okay, now Hari goes to the market. The number one is here. You notice that the H is we use as a capital. Clear? Second one, in the beginning of reported speech. जब भी हम reported speech start करते हैं तो first letter should be capital. Yes, Ram said to me. Here, Ram is a proper noun also. So here we have to use as a first letter should be capital. And in the reported speech, where are you going? So we don't use W as a small. We have to write W as a capital. Clear? Next is number third, first letter of proper noun or proper adjective. जो फर्स्ट नाउन और लेटर का प्रॉपर ऐसे नाउन है, प्रॉपर नाउन किसी का नेम हो सकता है या प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव है, तो उसका जो फर्स्ट लेटर क्या होना चाहिए बेटा? कैपिटल. यस, हरीश, इंग्लिश, इंडियन, रशियन, तो फर्स्ट लेटर शुड बी एज अ कैपिटल. Now note that if proper noun or proper adjective is compound of two or more words, remember that कि जो proper noun है या proper adjective है वो compound होते हैं two या more words से, then each word begins with capital letter. जो प्रत्येक word होता है वो क्या होता है, start होता है किससे, capital letters. Mahatma Gandhi. So you have to write M as a capital and G also capital. You don't write G as a small. Okay, this is a compound word, so you have to write the first word as a capital. नेक्स्ट इज द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ नाउन और प्रोनाउन यूज्ड फॉर गॉड. देखिए जब भी हम गॉड यूज करते हैं जो फर्स्ट लेटर होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, कैपिटल. फॉर एग्जांपल मे गॉड ग्रांट यू सक्सेस, यस, तो हियर वी यूज जी एज अ कैपिटल. ओ गॉड दो आर काइंड, तो हियर जी वी यूज एज अ कैपिटल. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? नाउ नंबर 5, pronoun I and interjection O are always written in capital. जो भी pronoun I होता है ना, I shall help you, तो here always we use I as a capital. Okay, and O are always written in capital after wherever they are present in the sentence. जब कभी sentence में use किया जाता है O, तो here we use as a capital. Don't write small. Okay, student. For example, I shall help you if I can. I shall help you. So here I is here. I we use as always. We write capital. Next sentence. Oh sleep, come to me. Yes, O here we use O. Yes, O are always written in capital letter. Clear? Number 6 sentence. The first letter of the name of the days, month, fairs, festival, etc. is written in capital letters. देखिए जो भी हमारे month के name है, days के name है, fairs के name, festival के जो name है, उसका जो first letter होता है वो क्या होना चाहिए, capital. For example, Monday, June, April, Deepavali. Okay, so you notice, yes, Monday. For M, we use as a capital, June, April, Deepavali. So here we use as a first letter, yes, we write as a capital. Now number 7, the first letter of names of books, poems, papers, articles, chapters, stories and essays is written in capital. देखिए जो भी books के name है, poem के name है, papers की जो name है, articles की name है, जो stories ऐसे के name है, वो always written in capital. For example, the Mahabharata, the Gita, the Hindustan Times. Okay, now have you read the Ramayana? So here we use as a R as a capital. Clear? Now number 8, first letter of the names of streets, cities, market, colonies, ships. जो भी first letter होता है किसका, street का, cities के, market के, colonies के and ships के, तो वो yes always written in capital letter. Yes, चौड़ा रास्ता, चांदनी चौक. So you have to write as a चौड़ा रास्ता. So C we should see as a capital, R as capital, and चांदनी चौक we have to use as a C, as a चांदनी का C as a we write as a capital, and चौक का C always we write as a capital. Clear? Now number 9, first letter of name of languages is written in capital. जो भी हमारी languages होती हैं उसका जो first letter क्या होना चाहिए बेटा, capital. Yes, for example जैसे English, Hindi, Sanskrit, तो first letter should be capital. Dear student, so now this is the exercise. So let's start the exercise number 1. Rewrite the following sentences using commas, full stop, inverted commas and question mark wherever needed. Okay students, so let's start. Yes, you have to put the punctuation mark, you have to use as a capital letter. Okay, the first one is here, what is your name? So in this sentence we have to put question mark. Okay, next one is here, there are parrots, crows, sparrows, etc. तो हमको पता है कि parrots की, crows की और sparrow की बात हो रही है, तो हमको क्या करना है, इसको separate करना है. So you have to put comma here. After parrots, after crows, we have to put commas. Now next is, you may draw flowers, balloons, stars, birds or other such thing. So we have to separate these words using comma. Yes, you may draw flowers, you have to put comma. After that, now next one is balloons, you have to put comma, and after that we have to put comma after the stars. And next one is your birds or other such things. In the last of the sentence, you have to put full stop. Now, next is yes, I will leave Baku. Yes, after the yes, we have to use as a comma. हम क्या use करेंगे? Comma use करेंगे. I will leave the Baku. Yes, after that, we have to put full stop. Now, next is number 5th sentence. Kavita, Seema, Ravi, Salma, and Piyush are her students. So here we separate the names. Okay, we have to put comma after Kavita, after Seema, after Ravi. Okay, and Salma and Piyush are her students. Next is there are many festivals in India. So you have to put only full stop in the end of the sentence. Clear, student? Now next is here number 7. When is the festival of Dashera celebrated? अब इसमें क्या किया जा रहा है? क्वेश्चन आस्क किया जा रहा है, तो you have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. Next is Ruskin Bond's poem Firefly in My Room is about insects. है ना? तो Ruskin Bond poem, yes, firefly you have to start inverted comma. Yes, in my room. You have to close the inverted comma. Yes, is about insect. You have to put full stop. Now next is Vijay Sthamb was built by Rana Kumbha after his victory over Mahmud Khilji the Sultan. So here we write, here we have to put full stop. Yes, at the end of the Sultan. Yes, at the end of the sentence. Sultan of Malwa. Here we write to complete the sentence Sultan of Malwa. So here we put full stop and here we write as here we put as a full stop and after the खिलजी के बाद आपको क्या करना है इधर इसको सेपरेट करना है इसको किसी comma से okay student so this is all about the punctuation mark and capital